All right, listen up. Signofied LLC is in the house. Let's get cracking. If you're not using AI to build your personal brand on LinkedIn in 2025, you're already behind. Seriously, your personal brand isn't some fluffy, nice-to-have thing anymore. It's your career currency. And in 2025, AI is your greatest branding ally. It's the leverage you've been looking for, the unfair advantage that levels the playing field. Stop making excuses about not having time or not knowing where to start. The game has changed and the tools are right there, waiting for you to execute. With AI, you can punch way above your weight. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to build a powerful personal brand on LinkedIn, even if you're starting from scratch. I'm talking practical, actionable steps you can implement today, not tomorrow, not next week. This isn't about becoming some overnight influencer. It's about strategic, consistent effort amplified by technology. Let's go. Before you even think about posting a single piece of content, you need to know who the hell you are online. What's your angle? What do you stand for? So many people skip this step and then they wonder why their content falls flat. It's because they're vanilla, they're trying to be everything to everyone, and they end up being nothing to no one. You need clarity on your voice, and this is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Tools like ChatGPT can help you develop a personal brand statement in seconds. Just prompt it with your job, values, and industry, and boom, you have a clear messaging framework. Think about it. No more staring at a blank page, wondering what to say. This isn't about AI creating your personality. It's about AI helping you articulate it. Use a tool like ChatGPT, give it a prompt like this, and watch the magic happen. Create a personal brand summary for a data analyst who's passionate about ethical AI and team collaboration. Be specific. The more context you give the AI, the better the output. This isn't about letting AI dictate who you are. It's about using it as a springboard. It'll spit out options, ideas, phrases you might not have thought of. Your job is to then take that, refine it, make it sound like you. The AI is there to do the heavy lifting of initial drafting, to break through that writer's block, to give you a foundation to build upon. It's a starting point, not the final word. Consider tools like Copy.ai as well. They have templates and frameworks specifically designed for brand messaging. The goal here is to get a crystal clear understanding of your core message, your unique selling proposition as a professional. What problems do you solve? Who do you solve them for? Why should anyone care? AI can help you answer these questions faster and more effectively than ever before. Once you have that personal brand statement, that core messaging framework, everything else becomes easier. Your content ideas will flow, your profile optimization will make sense, your networking will be more targeted. This foundational work, supercharged by AI, is what separates the amateurs from the pros on LinkedIn. All right, you've got your voice dialed in. You know who you are and what you want to say. Now what? Content. Consistent, valuable content. This is where so many people fall off the wagon. They start strong, post a few things, then life happens and their LinkedIn profile goes dormant again. Why? Because creating content feels like a damn chore. You don't have to create content from scratch every week. Use AI tools to repurpose resumes, articles, or performance reviews into content pillars. Then schedule them with tools like Taplio or Buffer. This is the hack, people. You already have a goldmine of content. You're just sitting on it. Think about that killer presentation you gave, that insightful project report, that resume that lists your biggest achievements. AI can help you slice and dice that, reframe it, and turn it into a dozen different LinkedIn posts. Imagine taking one of your detailed performance reviews, the parts that highlight your skills, your problem-solving abilities, your leadership, Feed that into an AI content repurposing tool. Ask it to generate 5 short LinkedIn posts focusing on different aspects. Ask it to create a longer thought leadership piece based on a key project mentioned. This isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart and efficient. You're leveraging existing assets, not reinventing the wheel every single damn day. And let's talk about scheduling. Consistency is king on LinkedIn. The algorithm loves it. Your audience expects it. But who has time to manually post every day or every other day at the optimal times? Nobody. That's where tools like Taplio or Buffer come in. You batch create your AI-assisted content, then you load it up and schedule it out. Your LinkedIn profile isn't just a resume. It's your digital storefront, your personal landing page, the first impression you make on potential employers, clients, collaborators. If it's outdated, generic, or just plain boring, you're losing before you even start. People are judging you based on that profile in seconds. You need it to be sharp, compelling, and optimized to attract the right opportunities. And guess what? AI is your new best friend for making that happen fast. Use AI to rewrite your About section headline and even generate SEO-friendly job descriptions. Think about your headline. Is it just your job title? Come on, you can do better than that. Your headline is prime real estate. Use AI to brainstorm compelling headlines that not only state what you do, but also hint at the value you bring, the problems you solve. Feed it your current headline, your key skills, and your career aspirations, and see what it comes up with. Then there's the About section. This is where you tell your story, where you connect on a more personal level. So many people either leave this blank or write something stiff and corporate. Use AI to help you craft an About section that's both professional and approachable. Prompt example: rewrite my LinkedIn About section to sound more approachable and visionary, with keywords like AI, project leadership, and team innovation. The AI can help you weave in those crucial keywords naturally, making you more discoverable. And don't forget your experience section. Instead of just copying and pasting from your old resume, use AI to make them achievement-oriented and packed with relevant keywords for the roles you're targeting now or in the future. AI can help you rephrase your responsibilities into accomplishments, showcasing your impact. This isn't about fabricating things. It's about presenting your experience in the most powerful way possible. Bonus: use Resume Worded or Rezi for scoring your LinkedIn profile based on branding and keywords. These tools are incredible. They act like a coach, analyzing your profile against best practices and even against specific job descriptions you might be interested in. Look, the reality is, building a personal brand on LinkedIn used to feel like a mountain to climb for a lot of you. Overwhelming, time-consuming, confusing, but the game has fundamentally changed. With the right AI tools, building a personal brand isn't overwhelming. It's strategic. It's about working smarter, not just harder. You have the power to craft your narrative, to control how you're perceived, and to attract the opportunities you deserve, all with a little help from your AI assistant. You don't need to chase trends or try to be someone you're not. You don't need to go viral. You just need to show up consistently, speak with purpose, and use AI to amplify your voice, to streamline your workflow, and to ensure your message is hitting the mark. It's about authenticity at scale. It's about leveraging technology to do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters: genuine connection, providing value, and building real relationships. The tools are here. The strategy is clear. The only thing missing is your execution. So stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Start small if you have to, but start. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Signofied LLC's YouTube channel. And hit subscribe for more weekly tips on AI, careers, and LinkedIn growth.